Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So the combination of butter, mushroom, garlic and pepper can never go wrong. And today's recipe is a combination of all this in the form of a rice. So I'm making butter mushroom rice. This is a one-pot recipe which can be a lunchbox recipe as well. So to begin with, in a pan I've heated some oil as well as butter. We need to use a generous amount of butter in this recipe. So I'm going to just let the butter melt, after which I'm adding in the minced garlic. Just saute it and make sure you don't brown them. Then add in the finely chopped onions. We'll cook them until they start changing color. Once that's done, we'll add in the mixed herbs, pepper powder and red chilli flakes. You can adjust the spice levels according to your taste. Just give it a saute and then add in the finely chopped mushrooms. We'll cook it for a few minutes. Now I've added the long grain basmati rice into this and we'll cook the rice until it starts spluttering. So I've sauteed the rice for a while. Now I'm going to add the hot water into this. Mix everything up. And now we'll add in the salt to taste. Now we'll bring this to a boil and then cover and cook this on medium-high until the rice is done. So the rice is cooked nicely. Now I'm adding the coriander leaves on top and giving it a nice mix. Make sure you let it sit for 10 minutes after you switch off the stove. The mushroom rice is ready. So if you like this recipe, do try it out and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye-bye.